Hi, and welcome back to JobPro's inventory video series. We want to give you all a more in-depth look into what our inventory module has to offer your organization. We've gone through the steps of getting your initial inventory set up and how to use and manage both the foam and non-foam aspects of inventory. Now we're going to show you how to combine drums in your warehouses. Let's get started. To begin, we will need to navigate to your daily inventory management screen. From here, find the equipment that houses the drum you need to combine. Click the foam button found here. This will open a pop-up window that displays all of the foam stored on this equipment. Click the Manage button to the right side of the foam type of the drum you need to combine. This will open another pop-up window that displays each individual drum. From here, you have a couple different options for combining these drums. If you're looking to combine multiple drums on the same equipment, simply click the check boxes to the left of each drum you'd like to combine and click the Combine Selected Drums button on the bottom of the pop-up window. Another pop-up window will appear where you have the option to choose which drum you are pouring into, or you can pour these drums into a new drum. If you're looking to combine a drum with a drum from your main warehouse or any other equipment, click the pencil icon to the right of the drum you are pouring up. This will open another pop-up window with the option to adjust the quantity, transfer, or pour up into another drum. Pour up option here is only for pouring up this drum into another drum on the same equipment unit. You will want to choose the transfer option. From here, you will choose the destination and click Submit. A pop-up window will appear that gives you the option to either transfer the whole drum or pour up into another drum. Choose which drum you'd like to pour this drum into and click Submit. A final pop-up window will appear that displays the current quantity of the destination drum, its max capacity, and a field where you can fill in the amount you are moving into this drum. Once you've got this information filled out, click Submit to finish. That is going to cover how you can combine drums with our inventory module. If you have any questions about this or any other aspect of inventory, please feel free to reach out to support through our support portal or by calling 704-584-4019. Thanks for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.